Hey everyone, today we're at Dan Murphy's in Queanbeyan. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. Pretty big actually. So we have Kirby evaporators, I believe. Oh no, Buffalo Tridents. Interesting. So we have 5 fans on this one, on this Buffalo Trident evaporator. We have 5 on this one, and there's another set down there that has 5 also. This is very big. So we have the coil back there, as you can see. I don't think these ones are actually working. Are they? Oh yes, they are. They're very quiet for working ones though. See there? There's 5 of them. There's 5 fans on each evaporator. Apologies for the lights. That's my problem with Dan Murphy's, newer Dan Murphy stores, is that these lights are always so bright that you can't really see them. There's a good look at it, right there as you can see. And there's the 5th fan right here, on this one. And of course, you've got the coil at the back right there, on all 5 of them, as you can see, on all 3 of them, as you can see. And there's the drainage pipe right there. So yeah, that's about it really. And I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next episode. Bye.